We need more tools that can actually help us in searching addresses, tokens, and to identify scams or they have been reported as scams. Token Sniffer is one of the good ones that's available for us to use. Let's actually get an address and play. Now it finally loaded. It took a time, so we can see the score. We can see the token is sellable, not a honeypot at this time. The buy fee is less than 5, sell fee, the verifiable contract source, the ownership has renounced, contract not authorized for special permissions, creator wallet contains less than 5, circulation or other. Okay, fantastic. Adequate current liquidity. You can see the liquidity, the initial liquidity, at least 95% of liquid burned, locked for at least 15 days, not fulfilled. Creator wallet contains less than 5% of liquidity. These are a very good analysis and information you need, and Kaito is actually already online. It's available for purchase, so we can see that okay, it looks okay, not bad, maybe not so good on this one. At least 95% of liquidity burned, unlocked. They haven't burned the liquidity, so they might dump in the future, but that's okay. They have been active for 19 days now. We can go and see them and actually move directly if we want to purchase from them. Same scenario, whenever there's a token, you can search the token by their addresses, and that's a good tool to use, Token Sniffer. Alright guys, thanks so much.